Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll begin by getting power and a connection method ready. This is why you act now. Insert fresh AA batteries or connect the rechargeable pack so the controller has 20% power. Turn on your Xbox Series XS or boot your PC and sign into the profile you'll use. Next, decide whether you'll use a USB-C cable for a direct link or Bluetooth for wireless freedom. Once decided, make sure the cable is plugged in or the console's Bluetooth is discoverable. You'll now connect the controller. For wired operation, plug a quality USB-C cable into the controller and the console or PC. The controller will immediately register. For wireless, press and hold the small pair button on the controller until the Xbox logo rapidly flashes. This makes it discoverable. On an Xbox console, press the console's pair button. On Windows, open Bluetooth settings and choose Add Device, then select the controller. Once linked, the Xbox light will stop flashing and remain solid, confirming the connection. Finish by verifying functionality. Test sticks, triggers, bumpers, D-pad, and face buttons in a game or the Xbox Accessories app so you know everything responds correctly. If available, use the Accessories app to install any firmware updates and remap buttons for comfort or accessibility. This ensures reliability and feature updates. If the controller won't connect, try the troubleshooting tip. Plug in via USB to pair and update, restart the console or PC. And if wireless remains flaky, replace batteries or hold the pair button again to resync.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.